out of nowhere, there's a black bear.
Hey, honey, what's wrong?
We have seen so many bears. What the heck is that?
Hi, honey.
I'm so tired. But Liz didn't sleep, so she should be even more tired than me.
Okay, guys, so look at my handlebar. It came all unraveled.
We need some tape right here. I'm not an expert. Let's do some more here. It works.
Once again, thank you, whoever suggested we bring duct tape. It's been very handy so far.
Unfortunately, our mic stopped working because my camera bag fell off my bike the previous day. However, we didn't find this out until the next day. Today, we're starting in Elkford and it's day 13.
Alright guys, so we've been going up some single track and we keep saying that like you definitely have to be present, like doing something like this, because if you're not, you're going to veer off trail. It's a great way to be brought to the present, guys.
This is an absolutely beautiful trail. No motorized vehicles allowed.
That looks very fresh, guys.
He could be anywhere.
Where's our bear from?
Cue the Jaws music. What is this crap? It sure smells horrible.
It's probably a hot spring. Are you sure you should touch it? Oh boy.
Oh, it's cold. It smells like rotten eggs.
Dude, you probably should wash your hands.
That's fine.
Oh, this is what it looks like, guys.
Have you ever seen water that color before?
Mm-mm. That's a very vibrant, like emerald green. I don't know if the camera picks it up. Guys, we're seeing a bear.
I think I'm getting either horse or cow diarrhea all over me. Go down a hill and it splashes all over my legs.
Moment of truth. Did they survive?
Oh gosh.
We bought some grapes, guys. And we had a very rough trail. Oh my goodness. They're
good?
They're intact. Sweet. Roadside break with pretty views. But we're literally right off the road. It's a very quiet road though.
You look like you're a bit stuck there, honey.
You okay? Are you, honey, what's wrong?
Oh.
Oh, is it the one you broke?
Yeah.
Oh no. Really bad? You think you broke it?
I was up to take my turn too sharp and slipped on the rocks, and then had to put a foot down to keep myself from completely falling over, and it just happened to be the foot where I broke my toe.
So guys, he broke his toe like 2 months ago? No, 2.5 months ago?
Walking into a metal railing at a pool, and honestly, it feels like it hasn't really been fully healed yet.
Probably because you keep pushing it. Because you drive like a maniac.
Don't drive like a maniac.
All right, so Alex literally pedaled 2 steps after readjusting. And what happened, honey?
I forgot to put the bungee cord on.
And now,
Got caught in the...
just part of being on the trail, guys. Constant little things with the bike.
Especially if you make a stupid mistake. We are here in Sparwood, standing next to the Titan 3319, which is the largest off-road truck in the world. And as you can see, it is huge. Like, even just the tire alone, like, I mean, what is that, maybe 9 feet, 10, no, it's gotta be higher than that. 12 feet tall, something like that. Huge tires. Apparently they used to use these in coal mining. It's really cool, really big.
So this is how we get healthy stuff on the road when there's no restaurants we want to eat at. You get one of those salad kits, and it's nice because it already has the dressing. And then we buy a can of beans. It has a pop top, which is hard here. And then you pour it inside. And that's our lunch.
And eat it straight out of the bag.
Yep. But they're handy. So this Elk Valley Trail should be the Valley of the Many Forks, because that's what we're doing. Dingleberry with energy snack. They're lining this trail, guys. So many of them. That one was a little rotten, actually.
Oh, gross. Stealing the bear's food.
I'm just gonna let you go ahead because I don't want you to follow me. You okay?
Yeah. There's no traction on this dirt. It just slips out from under me because the dirt is so slippery.
I have so much sweat going into my eyes I can barely see.
This trail has been super rough. It's been this really narrow single track that's overgrown. It's just full of roots and rocks. Feels like we're just making no progress. I keep looking at the map, recalculating the distance, and it's just like going by so slowly. It's really rough when like it seems like all of the elements are against you.
Oh no!
A Sasquatch carrying a bunch of gnomes. You're kidding me, right?
This is epic, guys. Look at that.
And the gnomes seem to be going willingly. Like, this one is just like sitting on his shoulder, and the other one's like hanging on to his knee. Okay, you have to look at the back over here. This is hilarious. Gnome hanging from his shoulders. I think I've carried my nephews that way before. I was riding down this nice trail and then suddenly, out of nowhere, there's a black bear right by this tree, 15 feet away from me. A big one, like a really big black bear.
Bigger than the one we saw at Spray Lake West? I've never seen one that big.
Yeah, I was worried because he I did startle him. Definitely was a little concerned he was gonna come after me, but wow.
Did he look upset?
No, I think he looked scared more than anything else.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Well, that's the 5th bear of the trip.
That was the funnest part of the trail.
That is seriously so fun, guys. It's literally like a nature's version of a pump track.
Yeah, just up and down rolling hills, smooth, beautiful trail.
Ever since our little Bigfoot statue, it's been great.
This is pretty sketchy. It's so exposed. It's like a cliff off to the left side. One wrong move could mean serious injury. That was fun.
Very exposed for how loaded pack. My hands are so sore from gripping.
Oh wow, you could just duck?
Benefit of being short.
Uh-huh. We just heard something big in the bushes. There's fresh bear scat right there. Wait, what is that? I heard something. Okay. What the heck is that? We should move away. Bye, bear! Another big thing in the bushes over there.
Bears! Bears, we are here. We are present. Ooh, this is fun. Are we sure this is the right trail? Gosh, I'm probably covered in bugs.
Tire tracks coming through here though. So some guy's crazy enough to do it. How you liking this trail?
It's very overgrown. I'm not sure how we're gonna make it, to be honest.
What the crap is this? Oh, we are right on the trail. There's a bear up ahead, guys. Probably can't see it on this camera, but he's up there. So what number is that? Is that 6? Okay, just move slowly. We're coming, bear! We're coming through. Apparently we're pulling kind of a late night. It's already after 9 o'clock. We have seen so many bears and so much bear scat. The route from Hosmer, we just arrived in Hosmer, it usually goes on some single track. Unfortunately, due to some kind of logging stuff, there's like washouts, and basically it means that the trail is completely impassable by bike, according to the Adventure Cycling Association. So we are going to need to deviate from that a little bit. So once we get through Hosmer it's going to be on the highway for the, I think, 8-mile journey to Fernie.
Made it to Fernie. Woo.
It's 9:50 and somehow we have made it to Fernie. I don't know how we did this. This has been a long, long day.
Although we took like a 3-hour break in Sparwood.
That's true.
Probably shouldn't have done that.
Once again, our mic wasn't working for this clip. We ended up staying in a hotel for a night in Fernie. We found one of the last reasonably priced places available.
So we're here. This is gonna be nice because we get to shower, do laundry in the morning. But we're exhausted. We did somewhere close to 50 miles. Oh, that was rough. But we got some food. We're gonna end the night here because we're exhausted.
Because it's not easy. And so I think so much of it is your mindset.
Oh my goodness